Top 5 reasons why should you learn Python instead of other programming language. So number 1, Python is easy to learn and understand. Python syntax is simple and easy to read and making it a great choice for beginners. The language also has a large and active community, which means that there are plenty of resources available to help you learn. Number 2, Python is a versatile. Python can be used for wide range of tasks including web development, AI, data scientist, data analysis, machine learning, and artificial intelligence. This means you can use Python for different projects, making it a valuable skill to have in your toolbox. Number 3, Python has a large library. Python has a vast collection of libraries and modules that can be used for a variety of purposes. This library make it easy to perform complex tasks without having write a lot of code, which can save lot of time and efforts. Number 4, Python is widely used by many companies and organizations including Google, NASA, and CIA. This means there are many job opportunities for Python developers and that language is likely to continue be demand in the future. Number 5, Python is open source, which means it is free to use and modify. This can make it accessible option for the people who are just starting to learning programming as well as organizations that want to be use it for commercial purposes. Additionally, open source nature of Python also allow many available resources, tutorials and guides. So I hope all the points are clear to you.